Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? I've done this kind of nail art a few years back, and now I did it again to do a nail art tutorial for you guys. The very first thing we need is a striping tape. What I have here is OMG's nail art strips, and they come in 4 different colors. We have white, black, gold, and silver. Now make sure to cut pieces of this tape and place it on top of something so that it will be easier for you to grab each of them. Then prepare a white base and make sure you didn't use a peel-off base coat for this one, and make sure it's completely dry. Then proceed on placing the tapes horizontally onto your nail. Then apply 3 shades of polish of your choice. Just make sure 1 shade is lighter, 1 shade is darker, and the 3rd shade is white. Then to smoosh it all in, you can use a crumpled plastic bag. Then remove the tapes right away with the help of tweezers. Then do the cleanup. Now let's do it again with different shades. If you have a stamper, you can also use it to smoosh in the colors. And here are the rest of my nails. After letting them to dry completely, apply your favorite top coat. And make sure to seal in the tips for a long-lasting manicure. And there you have it! I hope you guys love this colorful nail art. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!